Metal Roof Restoration. Phase 1. Cleaning and preparing the entire roof. First, we spray the entire roof with Rust Off, which etches the metal and loosens any rust. Then we pressure wash every square inch at 4,000 psi to prepare the roof for a layer of primer. Now we have a cleaned and prepared surface that is ready for the next phase. Phase 2, the primer layer. We treat the roof with encased primer in a 50% overlapping pattern, which will encapsulate any remaining rust areas, stop any future rust from developing, and help the final coating adhere to the metal panels. The roof is now primed and ready for the next phase. Phase 3, sealing seams, penetrations, and fasteners. Seams are sealed with Conklin industrial grade seam caulk. One crew member injects the industrial sealant into the seams, while the other smooths it out. All penetrations are sealed with Conklin QuikCaulk and fasteners with fastener caulk. Phase 4, the final top coat. Now it's time to lay down the Conklin top coat, which is also applied with a 50% overlapping pattern. And to top it off, these roof coatings come with a 10 to 18 year warranty. And this is the final result. 3 layers of protection. A low-cost alternative to buying a whole new roof. Witt's Quality Roofing. Call us today at 478-286-0392.